Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we will learn the Excel ranges. So how can use Excel ranges we will see in this video. So let us get into the class. So this is my Excel interface. You can see the ribbon here and this is the worksheet. This is the worksheet and this is the name box. This is the name box. This is the name box. So first of all, we will see how to select a cell. Just click on the right click on the cell. So click on left click on mouse, then click on each cell. You can select it, right? You can select it. You can select it. So I want to select multiple cells. I want to select, I want to, I want to select multiple cells. I want to select multiple cells. So how can I select it? So press Control. I'm again saying press Control. Then you can select number of cells. So whatever cells you want, you can select it. See, I'm selecting any cell here. I'm selecting each cell. So it is representing with gray color. It is representing with gray color. It is representing with gray color. So this is how we can select the cells in the worksheet. So if you want to deselect it, press on leave the control and press on the Excel sheet. It will be gone. It will be gone. This is how we can select the number of cells in the worksheet. So I want to select row. This is the row. This is the row. This is the row. I want to select row. So how can I select it? Press on here. Press on 1. You got this arrow, right? This arrow. Then press on 1. See, the row is selected. The row is selected. So I will zoom it. See now. Press on this, it will be selected. And if you want to select, if you want to select the column, you can select like this. You can select like this. You can select by using this. You can if you press on this, the I column will be selected, J column will be selected, K column will be selected, L column will be selected, M column will be selected, M column will be selected, 0. So based on this, if you want to select rows, based on this, you can select it and you can copy it. You can copy it with the Ctrl+C command. So this is how we can select rows and column. Rows and column. So this is how we can select the columns and rows. Columns and rows. And if you want to select, whole sheet, then you can see this rectangle, right? Sorry, it's triangle. So if we press on this triangle, the whole sheet will be selected. The whole sheet will be selected. So if you press on this, column will be selected. If you press on one, if you press on this, you can select the rows. If you press on this, the whole sheet will be selected. So this is how we can use the cell ranges, like Excel ranges. We can use in the Excel. So for example, if you want to select from this to here, how can you do it? If you want to select from this to here, so how can you select? By dragging. By dragging, you can select from this to this. From this to this. So, and you can select by using conventionally, right? You can write the cell values. For example, what is the cell value for this? A1, right? A1. A1. So you can write A1 colon E10. E10. So what is the name for this? A1, right? A1. And what is the thing is what is the what have to we have to select from we have to select up to E10. So that's why E10. So I'm writing A1 column E10. And if you press enter, that from A1 to E10 will be selected. See, A1 to E10 will be selected. So you can write anything. For example, B3 to Z5, B3 to Z5. See, B3 to Z5, it is selected. It is selected. So this is how we can use the name box. This is the name box. We can use the name box. So this is how we can use the Excel. So that's all, friends. These are the Excel ranges. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.